Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel, Just Missy. Today I have for you a cleaning motivation video. Happy Friday. I hope this motivates you to get your home cleaned and do the little things that you need to do so that you don't have to do them over the weekend, because that's exactly how I saw this. I'm going to get what I need to get done so that I don't have to do a lot of this over the weekend, and we're going to start off getting some laundry done because I always have a ton of laundry. And I'm just going to, guys, let you know that this day my daughter wanted to help me clean. So you're going to see us both doing some things in the house. And we're going to get the main living spaces of my home tidied up and cleaned up so that we don't have to mess with it over the weekend. So get ready for some laundry motivation, kitchen motivation, mopping and sweeping and dusting and all of that good stuff that goes along with it. So if you need some cleaning motivation, you're in the right spot. So let's get this done.
Instead of hitting it, I'll just do this.
Hiya! Get out of there.
Now fix it!
Goofball.
Recording me making my bed?
Why, you want to make your bed?
If you want me to.
I can't make your bed with you, but you can.
I'm saying, do you want to record it?
Sure, do you want to record making your stuff?
Sure.
Making your bed? So after Savannah helped me make my bed and totally jumped in it and made a mess and did all that crazy stuff in my bed, she was totally inspired to make her own bed and she wanted to film it. So you're going to see her make her bed in her bedroom because she's being inspired to be a little cleaner herself. Alright, lovies, now we're going to tackle this kitchen together. So while she is loading the dishwasher, I'm going to start cleaning the stove and all of the counters and get rid of these pizza boxes, which, by the way, was a really cool thing. We had a knock at the door, and we opened up the door, and there was Pizza Hut wings and pizza on our railing. And we didn't order pizza, so we called Pizza Hut, and they were like, oh, we delivered it to the wrong house, but with Corona, we can't take it back. So guess what? You get free pizza and wings. So my family thoroughly enjoyed that. So we have to get rid of those pizza boxes and all of that fun stuff. And we are going to tackle this kitchen together and get it done and sing and have some fun. And then we will move into the living room. So this was the first time I ever used that Power Wash by Dawn. I usually use my Mrs. Meyer, but my husband picked that up. And look at the sink. I really like that Power Wash. I mean, my sink is sparkling. And you know me, I love a sparkling sink. So I think I'll be using that more often and use my Mrs. Meyer's on my counters and such. But I really liked how that worked in my sink. So I highly recommend that for sink cleaning. It probably does fantastic on dishes too, but we do most of our dishes in the dishwasher. But I like the Power Wash.
Driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we're on this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you always like, the one that always gets you psyched. We've been drinking.
So in here we're going to get some tidying up done. I'm going to be dusting some of my main dusting things, you know, the table, the TV, the entertainment stand, all that fun stuff. We're going to get some vacuuming done, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move out some of my plants, and I'm going to actually sweep over there and mop because my plants are like going through like a shedding stage. I guess they're transitioning in the home to spring to summer kind of thing, and they are releasing leaves and flowers and stuff a lot. And I also noticed that my little peace lily is like releasing all of this yellow dust, which I would assume is it's kind of pollen everywhere. So over there really needs to be like swept separately and mopped. So we're going to do that. Over the weekend, I am going to ask my husband to move all of the furniture so I can get underneath that because all of that really needs a deep clean. But I'm not going to do that on my own. So I'm hoping to get deep cleaning done in this room over the weekend. But for now, this works.
Not a cheap wine all night, acting stupid but it feels so right. I know that we will all be just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine. Ignore the world with me tonight. I took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. 'Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite
Alright guys, we're coming to the close of this video. I'm going to leave you with some folding clothes motivation because yes, it is so easy to throw them in the washer and switch them over to the dryer, but folding them and putting them away is a whole nother task. So I leave you with this, hoping that it'll motivate you to fold those clothes and put them away. And I hope that you have a really blessed Friday and a wonderful weekend. I hope your weather is wonderful. I'm hoping our weather is wonderful. I would really love to work on my porch this weekend. I'm so glad I haven't done it sooner than this though, because every single week we've been under frost warnings and it's been freezing. So if I planted, everything would have died and that would have been bad. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. Remember, guys, whether you're blessed with a mobile home or a mansion, just be thankful for whatever God has given you. And I know He will bless you with more. And know that I love you and that Jesus loves you a whole lot more than I do. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.